Khloe Kardashian just reacted to the fan theory that Kris Jenner leaked Taylor Swift's private jet data. Hey guys, welcome back to another Kardashian update. Khloe is the queen of saying things without really saying them, aka liking posts on Instagram that echo her own thoughts without posting something herself. But before we get into it, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss out on any future videos. So we all remember that Kylie Jenner was recently accused of being a climate criminal after posting both her and Travis Scott's private jets on her Instagram. Shortly after, it was reported that several of Kylie's trips in these private jets weren't even 1 hour long. One flight was even just 13 minutes. Now, people criticize that big celebrities such as Kylie leak way too much carbon by doing this, and they attribute to climate change in the world. All fingers were pointed at Kylie until someone conveniently leaked Taylor Swift's private jet data and revealed that she is actually the #1 celebrity with the worst private jet carbon emission this year. The study showed that her plane emitted over 8,000 metric tons of carbon just in the last 7 months. Now, this obviously caused an uproar on social media between criticism from fans and then memes, which many were directed at Kris Jenner. A Kardashian fan account just shared a video where the question said, quote, "Who leaked that Taylor Swift's private jet took 170 flights this year?" And then in the video, you can hear Kris getting asked who she is, and then she says, "Kris effing Jenner." And Khloe actually ended up liking this video. Now, she probably did this because she thought it was a funny joke, but many fans were not having it in the comment section. Hundreds and hundreds of comments wrote saying how the Kardashians are still obsessed with Taylor. Now, this is a throwback to 2016 when Kim accused Taylor of lying when she said that she never approved Kanye's lyrics about her in his song Famous. Now, Kris was even also accused of leaking the video of the phone call between Taylor and Kanye back then when it happened. You guys, I think that this is definitely a stretch accusing Kris Jenner of leaking Taylor's flight data, but also, why would this just not surprise me if it were true? I mean, if Kris did it, it was definitely a smart move since all of the heat was on Kylie. But regardless, all of these celebrities should be held accountable since they all preach about saving the planet and this and that, and then they go leak carbon into the air. So, just saying. But for now, that is all I have for you guys. Let me know all your thoughts about whether or not Kris leaked Taylor's private jet data down in the comments below. And again, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss out on any future videos. I'm your host, Gianna Gravelisi. If you want to give me a follow on Instagram and come say hello. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.